extraordinary. So fancy. A man harvesting all of his plants for his goats. Interesting. Fancy, eh? The man has done his job and is on the hunt for more. His little goat named Azir had a fracture. The man is helping this goat. Wait, he's sitting on it? Oh, he's massaging it. Fancy, eh? That is his broken leg. He had a fracture. He seemed to be speaking like daddy's language.
Namaga guys, no? Tingnan mo. Entangled kasi siya kahapon kaya namaga yung kanyang paa.
Poor little bro. Now, man is planning on still something. She got skibidi riz. She's looking for more grass. An anomaly. This interesting little anomaly. As you can see, he's anomaly.
Ito nga pala si Spirit guys, no? Yung bago kong bulugan guys na pangarap ko, no? Kasi malaking bulas. So tingnan nyo ang pinangalan ko sa kanya, si Spirit po. Malaki po yan nung di pa din po yan nawawalay, nung bisiro pa po yan. Sinabi ko na din po sa kaibigan ko na may-ari ng kambing na to. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag mo ipagbibili kung hindi sa akin kasi ako na yung bibili. Kaya ito, tingnan nyo guys, malaki na siya. So yun na nga, natupad yung pangarap ko na nabili ko siya. Kasi nakapagbinta ko ng 2 bisiro. Ang halaga ng 2 bisiro na yun, ibinili ko rin, ibinayad ko sa kambing na to.
Fancy.
Follow me. Just keep on rolling. Follow me. Okay?
The vines are taking the feet away.
Yan naman si Brownie guys, no? Ito yung bisiro ko noon na pinalagaan ko din. Anak din to ng kambing ko noon, no? Yung nanay nito guys na ibinta ko na. Ito na lang yung natira. So malaking bulas din to guys, no? Kasi yung nanay niya na dapod is malaki. So God willing po, gagawin ko rito is gagawin ko din po na inahin ng mga kambing ko, padadamihin ko po kasi magandang klase po ito, no? Tingnan nyo po, upgrade na po kasi ito na dapol. Tingnan nyo, mahaba na din po yung kanyang tinga po. So ang gagawin po natin dito, padadamihin po natin, no? Pag pwede na po siyang magbuntis, ipapaano po natin kay Spirit po.
Spirit, take me where you... where?
What do you think is this?
Ipit.
Are you taking a video with me?
Not yet.
I told you follow me.
Yes, I follow
You
you.
keep on rolling.
Yes.
When I said follow me, do not cut off the video.
I did not cut it off.
So what is this?
This is vines.
What kind of vine do you think it is?
I think it's
Do you think the goats will eat this one?
no. Because because it's been here for days.
Maybe we have to try.
Yes.
Oh, it's getting hot over here.
My phone is burning.
Yeah.
My phone is an oven. It's burning my stomach.
There's a barbed wire.
Nag-remember ko da sa racing. Natoy tao da. Nakuha, nasamat sa barbed wire. Cow! Moo! Oh, kuyawa oy. Cow!
Keep on rolling.
Oh, it's really stinky. There's so many flies. The behemoth. Is the behemoth. Daddy, does this cow have milk? Do cows in the Philippines have milk? Do they produce?
Keep rolling.
Ah!
Keep rolling.
Okay.
Stay there. You can catch me.
Human wrecking the plants. Fascinating. Nappy nap nap. There. The man celebrating the man celebrating the daily harvest. Ah!